Hey everyone, it is coming up to spring and I want to do something fun and spring-like, so I've just created this pink wing eyeliner look with a pink lip. This is actually inspired by a beautiful makeup artist called Leah. She did a gorgeous blue wing eyeliner and I want to do something very, very similar, so thank you for the inspiration. If you like the look of this, keep watching. As you can see, I've already got one side down. The first thing I'm going to go into is the Intensive Skin Serum Foundation because it's a very lightweight one, so it's really, really lovely. I use the colour Warm Natural, just in little places of my face, and then I'm going to start to blend that all out. You can see it gives like a really beautiful lightweight coverage, but you can build it up if you want to. I've just done a really, really small amount. I want to cover these little pigmentation marks that I've gotten from my blemishes. So I'm going to go in with my Corrector. This is the color Light to Medium Peach. First of all, I'm going to take it underneath my eyes just to really brighten them up and take away any darkness. I took the colour Light to Medium Peach underneath my eyes because it's a little bit brighter. Now I'm going to use the colour Peach, which has a little bit more warmth on those pigmentation areas, and just bounce them on and then blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Instant Full Cover, and I'm just going to take this in any areas I want a little bit more brightness, so just around my eyes, and then again just on top of any blemishes. And then what I'm going to do is let it set in for about 3 minutes. And now I'm going to take my full coverage touch-up brush and I'm just going to pat it all into place. And by patting it, you're actually holding on the coverage exactly where you want it so it stays in place. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with Cool Almond Foundation Stick, and I am just going to take this straight onto my skin. So just from the tops of my ear, straight down, a little bit onto my forehead, and a little bit just on this bottom here, not too much. And then I like to blend everything out with the brush that I use for my foundation. Because there's still foundation on the brush, it almost blends everything out really seamlessly. So doing this kind of like patting motion again and bouncing it through until it's completely blended out. I'm going to take in the highlighter called Afternoon Glow with my small eye blender brush. I'm just going to take this right onto my high points, so my cheekbones, a little bit down my nose and on the tip, my cupid's bow, and a little on my chin. For an extra pop of springtime pink, I'm going to go in with Sunset Glow highlighter right onto the apples of my cheeks. For blusher, I've taken Peach and Quiet Crush Lip Color, and I'm popping a little bit on my hand. This is the liquid lip version. I'm going to pick it up with my sheer powder brush, smile, and get that right high on the apples of my cheeks, going all the way back into my temple to create this sort of like lifted look. Let's move on to the eyes. I'm going to go into this Luxe Rose eyeshadow palette. So pretty, and I'm going to basically mainly use these two colors. So I'm picking up the first color, which is called Electric Floral. It's almost got like a pink and gold shift to it. And I'm going to use the eye sweep brush just to blend this on. So this has more of a creamy texture to it, but actually it goes on way better using a fluffy brush instead of your fingers. So you can see it's a really sheer wash all over, really subtle. I'm going to go in now with Velvet Bloom, which is the pinky color, and my Precise eyeliner brush. Pick that up, and I'm going to take my Primer Plus 3-in-1 setting spray and give it a little spritz just to get the pigment a little bit stronger. I'm going to start right at this corner here and slowly, in small little motions, pull out the wing, just like that. And then we're gonna go back in to create that sort of more thicker finish, thicker edge, right into the corner of the eye. the second wing, you're going to take it into your crease almost. So I'm going to start from here. And then I'm going to very softly pull out that little wing. Just need to go basically on top of that first one. And then the line is going to go into your natural crease. So it's really important to try and do this with your eyes open so you can really see where that liner is being placed. And then to glam it up a little bit, I'm going to go into Moonstone Sparkle, which is my all-time favorite sparkle. And I'm just going to press it right into the inner corner of the eye. Just like that. Look, it just gives like a beautiful sparkly shift. Popping on a couple of layers of Smokey Eye Mascara to really bring out the eyes, because it's quite simple look. You want to pop tons of mascara on. For my lips, I'm going to do something a little bit fun and copy my eyeliner. I'm going to go in with this bold brocade Luxe defining lipstick, which will be really fun. But first I'm going to pop on a little bit of lip liner. So starting off with the color Bobbi in the lip liners. And I'm just going to take this basically right on the bottoms and tops of my lip. Just like this, it just gives the lip a little bit of a contour, and then I'm going to take Cocoa Lip Liner and shape the rest of it. And then just going to fill up my whole lip with this lipstick. How pretty is this lip color, and a perfect combo with this wing eyeliner. And here you have it. This is my complete, easy springtime wing eyeliner pinky makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.